The overall goal of the following protocol is to describe how continuous data tracking technology can be used to precisely measure adherence to a prescribed aerobic training intensity. This is achieved by first collecting the data using continuous data tracking technology during an aerobic exercise training session. Using data tracking software, a single file of raw data is obtained for each subject for each training session and then converted into an Excel format. Next, statistical software is used to extract and combine data for a single file per subject, which allows for the achieved intensity to be compared to the target intensity. Results are obtained that show an adherence rate expressed as the percentage of time spent at the target intensity for a given individual or for a group, session by session, or for the entire program.
The main advantage of using this technique over existing methods like general attendance or completion rate is the ability to record continuous measures of exercise intensity, which allows for a precise calculation of adherence to the prescribed training program.
So this method can help answer key questions in the pulmonary rehabilitation field, such as which exercise training approach is associated with the best adherence rate in patients with obstructive lung disease.
Though this method can provide insight into adherence to exercise training using a target heart rate range, it can also be easily adapted to other definitions of adherence by replacing target heart rate range with target wattage, level, speed, or MET level.
Before beginning, turn off all wireless devices that may cause